Welcome, math enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Math Mysteries. Today, we're embarking on an arithmetic adventure to unlock the secrets of mathematical sequences. Join us as we follow the journey of Amit, a young math enthusiast eager to solve sequences. Let's begin our mathematical quest. Meet Amit, a curious student with a passion for mathematics. Amit loves solving arithmetic sequences but wishes to find a faster way to determine the nth term. That's when the math teacher, Mr. Paul, arrives with a helpful tip. My keen student, I have a shortcut to share with you. To find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, you can use a simple formula. Let me explain. Let us consider one example. Observe the sequence 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Now question is, what could be 100th term of this sequence? Sir, I am bit confused. Any shortcut to solve this? Yes my kid, we have a shortcut to solve this. Follow this formula and you can solve in few seconds. N equals to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Here, N represents nth term, A1 represents first term, N. In this example, we want to find out 100th term. D is a common difference. Let's calculate now. Hope you get the answer. 399 is the right answer. Hope you got the trick. Now next time, you can find any term in just few seconds. Now can you tell me, what could be 91st term for below sequence? 4, 8, 12, 16. Hope you find the answer. Yes, you are correct. Answer is 364. The formula allows us to calculate any term in the sequence without the need to write out every preceding term. It's a valuable tool for solving arithmetic patterns and understanding their properties. And there you have it, math enthusiasts. Arithmetic Adventure reveals the secret shortcut for solving arithmetic sequences. With the help of Mr. Madison's formula, Amit discovered a quicker way to find the nth term. Remember, shortcuts like these make mathematics more accessible and enjoyable. If you found this arithmetic adventure enlightening, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive more thrilling math mysteries unraveled. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of numbers. Thanks for watching.